Hello, I'm Shadow. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a makeup video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while. And of course, the reason why I haven't been able to make these kinds of videos is because of cost. But now that I have an income, I can finally do these videos. This is the theme that I wanted for this channel pretty much since I started it. This video will be a palette review. I have the Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise. I took a picture of the palette that I will show for a visual aid. It has a lot of amazing colors, and with how much the Hot Tropic kind of looks like highlighter and the Exotic looks a lot like bronzer, I might not need these for this video, but we'll see how it looks on my skin. If you know me, you know that I love the color pink, so I really like this color called Vacay, but I'm more interested in trying Lovebirds because it's a sparkly pink and it looks awesome. For the first look, I am going to try the oranges. Cardinal and Tweet are very similar to each other, so I'm going to put those colors right up against each other. Cardinal is the darker color, so I'm gonna put it towards the corner. So far it's not showing very well. It colors the brush really good, but it does not look very pigmented at all on my skin, and it doesn't show up very well on camera. Next, I'm going to try Tweet. And I'm gonna put that right around Cardinal. At the ends of my eyes, I'm going to put Token Play. With how shiny Exotic is, I am going to put that at the corners. And just as I expected, it's just like a darker highlighter, which is really cool. Now I'm going to put on some eyeliner and hopefully that makes this look pop. Well, here's the finished look with the eyeliner, and I definitely think the eyeliner improved the look in person. It looks really good in person, but I'm still not very happy with how it turned out on camera. Next, I want to try the glittery colors. First, I am going to put Hot Tropic on the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to put Lovebirds across the line of my eyelid. And now I'm going to put Rio on the outer side. This certainly looks much better. Again, nothing looks as good on camera as it does in real life, but this still looks amazing. It's not that great to work with though. It's pretty difficult to work with that glittery eyeshadows. Well, as you might expect, that was really difficult to clean up. I still have glitter all over my face. I just had to stop recording for a second because my heart started beating rapidly. That's been going on for as long as I can remember. Next, I am going to put on Vacay and combine it with Jungle. That is really pretty. This is the one that I think actually looks really good on camera. This will be the final application for the video. I am now applying the Jungle. Jungle isn't very pigmented, but if the camera would show better, you could probably see that it made a really nice nature theme combined with the pink. It looks like a rose theme. So I'll leave the video there. I think I would rate this palette 6.5 out of 10. The colors are amazing, the case is amazing, but the colors aren't really pigmented enough to wow me. And it's really annoying how difficult it is to work with the glitter eyeshadows. If if the colors were more pigmented, this would be more like a solid 8 out of 10. Anyways, tell me what you think of my creme braid. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.